Welcome to this Omega 365 tutorial. In this video, we will go through how distributions are set up. We start off in the app called Distribution Setup. Here we will have a register showing the distributions which have been set up for this specific organization unit. In the top is basic details like the name, which organization unit the distribution is set up in, and a description. Tick this box off if it will affect confidential or restricted documents. Below is where you can set up specific filter criteria. Like for this example, the criteria is for document types which equal drawings. Select the Review Responsible or IDC Responsible here. For the Review Responsible, you can either choose one person or set it as a specific role's responsibility. In the Persons tab, you will see the persons who are involved in the distribution. Here, you can also check off on what will be each person's responsibility for the documents. Like for example, if they are set to review, approve, or check the documents. Some persons might only need the documents for info. They should perhaps be allowed to edit. Or lastly, they can be a subscriber, which means they will get notifications when changes or updates happen to the documents. The next tab we will look at is Org Units. Note that the org units selected here will receive the documents first when they are released, although you can tick off for them to have immediate access. In the org unit roles, you can choose specific org units and give access to certain roles within them. The Roles section is useful if you have several persons who need access to the distribution. And here as well, you are able to select what their responsibility will be for the documents, similar to when selecting specific persons. The Affected Documents tab here shows a grid with all documents which are affected by the distribution. We can enter documents directly from here through the Documents ID. In the Distribution tab here, we can see which persons have been granted access, and we see two of them have the distribution group we showed earlier as their distribution source. Further below, we can see which organization units, distribution groups, and organization unit roles the document has been distributed to. That wraps up this tutorial on how distributions are set up in Omega. To learn more, visit academy.omega365.com.